Magandang araw mga kaibigan. Bigyan natin ng reaction opinion itong post ng veteranong sundalo Ramon Jacinto. Isinare niya ang post ni Robert Molina tungkol ito sa pahayag ni Senator-elect Lacson doon sa nangyayari sa Senado sa napipintong dismissal ng impeachment case ni BP Sara. So basahin ko Lacson, undated Senate resolution undermines impeachment court's authority. Senator-elect Ping Lacson on Friday, June 6, criticized the move to declare the impeachment complaint against Sara de facto dismissed, calling the unnumbered, undated, and authorized Senate resolution a clear attempt to usurp the authority of the impeachment court. Lacson also questioned Senate President Escudero's apparent reluctance to convene the Senate as an impeachment court, despite having only 3 session days left before Congress adjourned sine die on June 13. If the present Senate does not constitute itself into an impeachment court, sabi ni Lacson, before the 19th Congress adjourned sine die on June 13, there is no court to cross over to the 20th Congress. Then, the legal issue becomes even more complicated, Lacson warned. Bato de la Rosa said he will file a resolution declaring the de facto dismissal of the impeachment case against Duterte due to the Senate's failure to act on it within a reasonable period. In his draft resolution, de la Rosa emphasized that the constitutional command for the Senate to proceed forthwith upon receipt of the articles of impeachment was not followed. The House transmitted the articles on February 5, 2025, but they will only be presented in plenary on June 11, more than 4 months later and just days before the end of the 19th Congress. A delay in the fulfillment of such command clearly departs from this requirement and places in jeopardy the rights of the respondent, particularly the constitutional right to the speedy disposition of the case. The resolution stated, citing the Bill of Rights and Supreme Court jurisprudence. The resolution further cited Senate rules that prohibit the continuation of pending matters into the next Congress and reiterated that impeachment proceedings must originate and conclude within the same Congress. With the 20th Congress set to convene in late July, De la Rosa's resolution seeks to officially recognize the impeachment case as de facto dismissed by operation of the 1987 Constitution. Ayan. So, labanan na ito. Parehas na PMA. Lacson, class 71. De la Rosa, class 86. So, malayo ang agwat nila. Kaya lang, parehas silang senador. Anyway, ito is usapang konstitusyon, usapang batas. Ang batas kasi may kanya-kanyang interpretasyon. So, yung draft resolution na ginawa ni Senator Bato, nagsasite ng konstitusyon, nagsasite ng Supreme Court decision na nagsasabi na de facto dismiss na ito. So, I don't know kung sinong tama, sinong mali. But the people will decide. Sila ang maghusga. Of course, Supreme Court. Pwedeng iakyat ito sa Supreme Court. Kung matuloy yung resolution, maaprubahan at madismiss kaagad. 13 senators kailangang pipirma. Yun, pwedeng iakyat sa Supreme Court. Bahala na ang Supreme Court. Sila ang final arbiter sa interpretation of the law and the Constitution. Ganon din, ipapasa rin sa taong bayan Kung nagkamali ang mga senador, pwede by 2028 o mga susunod na, lalo na mga re-electionist, matatalo sila. Kaya ang ultimate hukom o judge dito is Supreme Court at ang taong bayan. So, this is a political exercise. Sinimulan nila sa Kongreso na dili-dili. Kung sabihin na lang natin, di ba, as early as November, nandyan na yung una, pangalawa, pangatlong impeachment. Bakit kasi pinatagal pa doon? Kung yung unang yung tatlong complaint, inaksyonan kaagad, ipinasa sa Kongreso, Senado noon pang December, wala sanang ganito. So, sino ang unang masisisi? Hindi ba yung mga kongresista, bakit nila dinili? Kaya, marami ang bumabatikos kay Senator Escudero. But to me, ginagawa lang niya rin kung ano yung sa tingin niyang tama. Plus, of course, may political motive. May sinasabi yan na may personal interest. Yung, ano yun? Pagiging Senate President, mapanatili. These are all speculations. Wala tayong prueba. That's reality sa politika. Wala kayong magagawa. Wala tayong magagawa. Kung ako ang tatanungin nyo, gusto kong matuloy. Si Professor Malutikia, may po siya, ituloy ang impeachment. Maraming DDS gustong matuloy ang impeachment. 88% sa survey ng SWS, ituloy ang impeachment para sagutin ni BP Sara ang mga akusasyon. BP Sara din, sabi niya, kasama ako sa 88%, gusto kong matuloy. I want bloodbath. Anong magagawa natin kung ayaw ng mga senador? Kaya, the ball is now on the hands of these 13 senators. Kung mali ang ilang bahalang Supreme Court sa kanila, bahalang taong bayan, na pagdating sa 2028, lalo na yung mga re-electionist, kung mananalo ba sila o hindi.
Ikaw mga babayan, hanggang dito yung tao. Kasi pag humalo pa sa crowd, sigurado wala nang madadaanan yung mga sasakyan sa dami ng tao. Nakita pa natin to, sarado itong kalsada na to. Sa dami ng tao.
Ang buong mundo ay nanonood sa atin ngayon. Tayo ay pinapanood. Tayo ay ngayon. Sa buong mundo. Amerika, gusto ko lang ipakawal sa ating mga.
Wala na, sarado na yung kalsada.